All right, so I am in the process of making some Muscadine wine. So out of the trial Muscadines that I picked and that I grew. So I have a 6-gallon bucket here that we are making 6 gallons of wine in. So right now it's in its fermentation process. So you can see it bubbling there, which is great. That means the yeast is doing its number on that sugar in there, and we are turning this into some good old wine. So now in about 5 days, I'm going to take it out of this big bucket and I'm going to put it in my 3 gallons. This is 3 gallons. This is 3 gallons for the total of 6 gallons. So I'm going to siphon it out of here and into that right there. And then I'm going to let the fermentation process in these two demijohns do its job. So as you can see here, I have this bubbling here, but when I put them in these right here, or car bodies or carboys or whatever people call them, I'll just say glass containers. But anyway, in these are going to bubble. That's on the top of that, just like this one right here is going to bubble. And it's a process. So if anybody say that they just made wine, you can make instant wine. But if you're going to make like true wine, there is a process it has to go through. And it has to go through a fermentation process. So it's going to take me probably about 2 or 3 months to get some good quality wine coming out. So around about Thanksgiving, I should be handing out some wine as gifts. Anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching. I just want to show y'all how it bubbles when it's fermenting in the bucket before I put them into these 2 jugs.